right, friends, no funky business. It's just an afternoon temperature update for what you can look forward to for your evening lows tonight. East Coast, we've got single-digit temperatures as well as teens for much of New England, up into the high 20s if you are lucky. And that continues down until you reach about the mid-Atlantic, where the Carolina coast is seeing 42, but inland Carolina is more like 30 for your nighttime low. Georgia and Florida are in the 40s and 50s, 68 for the tip of the peanuts. Midwesty Poos, your lake state nighttime lows are in the single digits, negative single digits, and teens. 20s as you get a little lower. By the time you hit the Tennessee and Kentucky valleys, you are looking at 30s, and around the Gulf, lots of 40s and up as high as 60s right down on the Gulf. Plainsy Poos, really we have all the temperatures here with the upper plains seeing negative teens, negative 13, negative 16, negative 18, 3, 6, negative 4, 3, 18, 15. As you get into lower Nebraska and all of Kansas, you're a bit higher in the high 20s, 28, 27. Oklahoma and the Panhandle and northern part of Texas are seeing 30-degree temperatures. Might freeze in some of those areas, so watch your pipes. Lower into Texas, you're seeing it warm up a bit into the 40s and 60s at the bottom, 68 for the tip. Mountain states, you are seeing lots of 30s and 40s across most of the map, 20s in the southwest and the high desert, 47 down by the Arizona-Mexico border for the nighttime low. And Pacifics, we're seeing lots of 40s, basically from Washington all the way down to SoCal. It's going to be somewhere in the 40s for your nighttime lows, unless you are in the mountains or higher elevations, and then 54 down by the California-Mexico border. Nighttime lows for the last frontier, we're seeing lots of negative temperatures, especially in the interior, getting down to like negative 20, negative 18, negative 17. And that is most of the thick of the state, although it is a little warmer on the Bering Sea itself with 32, 31, and then the Aleutians 34, 31, 31 to 21 near Anchorage, and 2 for the Panhandle. Nighttime lows for the island chain, we're seeing low 70s and down into like the mid 60s for most areas, unless you're higher on the mountain slopes, in which case you might get as low as 37 degrees. But yeah, mostly 65 to about 75 for the rest of the island chain. All right, that was your quick update for your nighttime lows you will be seeing tonight. I'll see you again in the morning for another weather report. Yay!